How to run a successful workshop has just been a phenomenal experience for me.
It was so moving. It was groundbreaking for me. Out of my comfort zone. It was like I'd take 2 steps forward and 1 back. I'd fail and I'd muck up.
It's just been epic.
This training has been able to stretch me out of my comfort zone. Being able to experience that, I can now embrace that.
Matt again delivers unreal, leaving there so much emotion and gratitude for his wonderful and amazing work.
It really stretched and expanded my understanding of myself and my understanding of how to get the best out of the audience.
It's allowed us to stretch ourselves in how we do our workshops. So how we do them now, it's actually bettered them now. We've got this system in place, we've got a whole new way of doing it.
I just learned so much. I learned so much on structure, and I feel I started and I completely mucked up and I was terrified, and now I feel completely confident talking in front of people.
The stretches that I've had from this workshop have been phenomenal.
Key takeaways, just how easy it is to actually be a speaker without have any notes. Like, I truly didn't believe it was possible, and it is just the most amazing feeling.
In this training, you don't get to hide. You're out there and you're into it, and you're putting yourself out there and just getting shit done, and it's just amazing.
It's one of the best trainings I've ever attended.
If you've had a chance, I really, 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 really recommend you get in the room.
If part of your goals and your dreams is to speak and make a difference, then you really don't have a choice. It's a must to get into this room.
Anyone thinking about doing this training, you just have to do it.
I actually really, really enjoyed it that much. I really
It just
enjoyed
keeps
it.
getting better and better.
It does.
TCI is phenomenal. We just keep coming in here and
We're very, very lucky.
Yeah.